Welcome to the TechVibes channel, where today we are diving deep into a complete masterclass on how to download and install the Unlinked application on your Android TV device. This is designed to be the ultimate full guide because we are going to cover much more than just a basic installation process. We are going to explore two distinct methods to get this software running, and I will show you exactly how to access and input library codes so you can unlock a massive variety of applications on your Android TV system. I highly recommend that you stay tuned until the very end of this presentation because each step is crucial for a smooth setup. Real quick, if you want to stay private and unlock more movies, grab a NordVPN subscription using my special link in the description below. For this demonstration, I am using a standard Android TV box, and you will notice that I have a USB mouse connected to the device to navigate the interface. Using a physical mouse makes the process of clicking buttons and entering text significantly faster and more precise than using a standard remote control. If you are looking to upgrade your setup, I always suggest using a peripheral like this to make your smart TV experience much more fluid. We are going to begin with what I call the longer method, which involves a very reliable utility tool. And then we will move into the shorter direct method for those who want results as fast as possible. The longer method is actually the preferred way for many power users because it involves the installation of the downloader application first. To start this process, you need to open any web browser that is currently installed on your Android TV box. Whether it is a system browser or a third-party one like Puffin, once the browser is open, you should navigate to the address bar and type in the website downloader.app. On this page, you will see an option to download the tool from the official web version of the store. If this is your first time accessing this feature, your Android TV will likely prompt you to log into your Google account for security. Go ahead and enter your email address and password to proceed. Once you are authenticated, you can click on the install button, and the downloader application will begin to set itself up on your hardware. It is important to note that even if you do not have the standard store interface on your specific box, the web version can still push the installation through to your device remotely. After the installation is complete, you can go ahead and open the downloader app to see its main interface. If you have never used this tool before, you will see a box where you can enter specific short codes to find files instantly. The specific code you need to type in for our purposes today is 03814. After entering those 5 digits, click on the Go button, and the app will automatically redirect you to the specific hosting page for the Unlinked application. You will see the download start almost immediately as the APK file is transferred to your local storage. Once the download reaches 100%, a prompt will appear asking if you want to install the application. Click on the Install button and wait a few moments for the system to finalize the files. When it finishes, I always suggest clicking Done instead of Open so you can return to the downloader interface and delete the installation file to save space on your device. Now that we have covered the first method, I want to show you the shorter and more direct way to get the same result. To demonstrate this clearly, I am going to uninstall the version we just put on the box so we can start from scratch. Before we proceed with the second method, it is very important to consider your digital privacy while browsing on an Android TV device. Whenever you are sideloading applications or accessing third-party libraries, your information can potentially be exposed to outside parties or your internet service provider. I always recommend using a high-quality virtual private network to encrypt your connection and hide your online activity from prying eyes. This helps protect your personal data and ensures that your streaming habits remain private while you explore new software. Moving on to the shorter method, you just need to return to your web browser and perform a direct search. In the search bar, type the words Unlinked APK and look through the results. You are looking for a reliable hosting site like Malavita or the official developer page. To ensure you are getting a clean version of the file, click on the download link, which might require you to navigate through a couple of windows. Once the download starts, your browser will ask for confirmation to save the file to your system. After clicking Yes and waiting for the transfer to complete, you can open the file directly from your browser notifications. The installation process is simple. Just follow the on-screen prompts to add the app to your library. Now that the application is fully installed, let's talk about how to use it to find content. When you open the app, you will find a very clean and simple interface that asks you to add a new library. Unlinked works by using community-generated codes that act as keys to private folders of applications. To add a library, click on the corresponding button, and a keyboard will appear on your screen. You will need to type in a specific library code, which is usually a single word or a string of characters without any spaces. It is very important to type these codes exactly as they are provided, because they are often case sensitive. Once you have entered a valid code and hit enter, the dashboard will update to show you all the apps available within that specific repository. You can then scroll through the list and select the tools you want to install on your own TV box. This system is incredibly efficient because it allows you to access multiple apps from one central location without having to search for individual files all over the internet. In this guide, I have shown you two distinct paths to achieve the same goal. Whether you prefer the utility of a downloader tool or the speed of a direct browser download, you now have the knowledge to set up this powerful platform and start customizing your Android TV experience to your liking. Remember to always keep your device storage clean by removing old installer files and keep your privacy a top priority. I hope you found this comprehensive tutorial helpful for your tech setup. If you followed along, you should now have a fully functional version of the software ready to go. Thank you for spending time with me today to learn these advanced installation techniques. I look forward to bringing you more deep dives into the world of Android TV and helpful tech tips in the future. Happy streaming, and I will see you in the next one.